Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you click to the more button at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the settings at the middle of the screen. You go to the picture-in-picture mode under the highlight downloaded maps, click that, and here you can select the always, the only in active navigation, or the never option. Actually I use the only in active navigation, but if you want to select the another, for example the always, just click that and that's it. So simple. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.